Hello everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I am taking another teaching aid, that is sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle is equal to exterior angle. For that I have taken a new file in Geogebra. I am working offline. First I'll go for plain paper, so I'll remove this axis as well as the grid. So what I did, I right click on the screen. If I'll click on axis it will come, if I'll click on grid it will come, but I don't need for the triangle, so I'll right click on axis, right click on grid, then I'm getting a plain paper. Next I'll go for triangle. So what I'll do, I'll take the line segment, I'll draw point 1 and press and drag, immediately it will give you a line. So I don't name it, so I'll right click on it and I'll write show label. That means if you click on show label, it will go automatically. Next I'm going again for another line. So this is AC and I am deleting the name. So I click on show level. Then I'll join B and C. So this is the triangle. I don't name this edge, so it gun. Next I'll extend the line AC so that I'll make a exterior angle. So I'm taking now a line. Line is here. So I'm drawing two line pointing here A and C. So on this I'm drawing a point. I'm drawing a point on this line now. So this is a point which is called E. So now I'll delete this line or I can hide it. So I'll click on show label. It will be hiding the name. I'll click on show object, say whole line will go. That means E is on this line in the same direction. Now this D point I don't need. I'll delete it. So immediately it also deleted E, no problem. Again I am drawing it. So E, A and C I am join and I draw a line. I am taking another point on this, click on point, I'll point on this line. So this is D now. So I will hide this line. So I'll click on show object. Next I'll join CD. That means I am extending AC in the direction D, up to D. So right click on show label, so it will go, name will go. Next our exterior angle is produced. So next coming to angle. So I'll go for angle, take the angle between your AB and AC. As you had in the last time you had seen this, it is showing between 0 to 360 degree, but I need the acute angle, interior angle. So I'll go for basic, click on basic, right here, click on angle. If you click on it, there are three options: 0 to 360, 0 to 180, 180 to 360. I'll go for 0 to 180. After ticking, still it is showing name alpha, the angle, and 61 degrees, 61 minutes. So I'll round off it. How to round off it? I'll go for options, then rounding of 0 decimal place. Then it will give you 62 degree. So next, I don't want name to be written as alpha, only degree I need. So I'll go to object property, then this see show object, show label. Here I'll click on only value, so it will give only 62 degree. So a angle is measured, that is 60 to 61. It will move, it will change. Next I'll go for angle B angle. So I'll click on side AB anywhere and side BC anywhere. So immediately it is showing me beta degree, but beta I don't need. So I'll go for object properties and for next basic. Next I'll go for your only value, and the angle should be 0 to 180 degree. So it is now 54 degree. What next? Two interior angles I measured. Next I'll go for exterior angle. For that I'll click on BC side, I'll click on CD side. Before that I should click the angle, then it will show the angle. So again it is showing the obtuse angle. I need the acute angle, not acute exactly, but the reflex angle. So I'll go for this object properties. Next I'll go for 0 to 180 degree. So it will show now. So this is angle is gamma. I don't want the name to be printed as gamma. So I'll go basic and it will show only value, not name and value. So only value. So after getting this, we have got all the angles. Angle B is 54 degree, angle A is 65 degree, and angle C is 190 degree. So you must have noticed that 54 plus 65 gives me 119 degree. So after you made this, you save it, file, save as, name this angle exterior angle. So keep it with you. Next, when you are showing in the class, you open this file, it will show in this way. And if you want to hide this algebra portion, so go for options or go for view and click on algebra. Then there will be no algebra view, only the graphics view. So C point you can write here. If you want to show it bigger one so that it will be clearly visible, then you will go for the font size, take 16 or maybe take 18, 19. You will get this bigger one. You can change this angle as some color. Right click on the angle, then you can take red one. See, it is changing to red. This opacity you can make it dark, you can make dark, you can make any color. Similarly for this I am making it a blue color, so I'll make it blue, and here also I am darkening it. Finished. Then I'll go for the A. I'm making it green in color to make it mathematics colorful. So green in color. Then I'll go for Uttak. It is totally green. You can take the dark green also and this green now. So after saving it, now you are in front of the children. How to show it? Just change this position, change the position, change the position, and still children will find that the sum of interior angle is always 180 degree. You can change the position of A, you can change the position of B, whatever it will be, you will find that the sum of the two interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write now I'll take a text box. So here you can change anytime, you can edit it. The sum of two interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle. So you can make the background colorful also. So I hope you've enjoyed, and if you like the video, just like once. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.